Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish, Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and key levels to watch out for going forward. Nifty on a intraday basis opened around 21,750 to immediately witness a profit booking up to 21,550 to close around 21,650 zones. Bank Nifty too witnessed a profit booking up to 47,690 to close around 47,760, negative 0.98% on a intraday basis. Nifty supports now placed at 21,500 followed by 21,100, resistance placed around 21,800 followed by 22,000 zones. Bank Nifty major supports placed at 47,300 followed by 46,800, resistance placed at 48,700 followed by 49,000 zones. After a stellar rally, now markets need to consolidate. Early indications of volatility to spike going forward. Traders need to be well aligned and updated according to the risk management and trade management strategies. Investors, great opportunity to emerge in the year 2024 to generate wealth. Focus on stock specifics to build your long-term portfolio in a staggered approach for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the market updates and is useful for trading and investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates and interesting insights. If you are watching our channel for the first time, do subscribe our channel for market updates and interesting insights. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.